Change of plans, I thought I would talk about the Freewell Prism filter set. At first, I didn't want to make a separate video, and then I thought it would be interesting to only see the portraits that I made with these filters. So I left them out from their original sessions, and here they are. Not the filters you will use on a daily basis, but maybe the filters that will help you achieve creatively whatever weird idea you have in mind. I'm going to make it short because what I have to say about these filters can be summarized in a few words. I mean, you will use occasionally these filters unless your signature look, your style in general, is based on these type of heavy effects. You can imagine anything around them: a fantasy, a dream, a nightmare, an illusion, a fragmented, broken mind. I mean, anything, it's up to you. You've seen Maeva's BTS video a few days ago on the channel. Clara's is only available on the blog for premium members. And Charlotte's video, the one I was supposed to share today, will come later next week. I used these filters during these sessions with mixed results. And the ones I'm going to share with you now are the images we kept in the final selection. You have a split diopter filter, a linear prism filter, and a center field split diopter filter. I found I preferred the results of these effects when used with the GF50mm lens. As usual from Freewell, these filters are well made. I have multiple filters from them that I use on a regular basis, so I knew I would get something solidly built. Once in place, you can, of course, rotate the filter to place the effect where you want. And this is where I'm going to shut up because you have to experiment, test these effects to actually understand how they work and how you can actually effectively utilize them in your work. The link to these filters is, of course, down below. I may or may not talk about these lenses in the future, only if I find anything interesting to say about them, because if not, then what's the point? Have you ever tried them? Have you ever used these type of lens filters in your work? If so, please share your experience with us in the comments below. I love messing around with my lenses, and every time I can achieve any effect outside Photoshop, then I'm happy. I guess that is it for this one, and that I will catch you in the next. Please take care, and until then, have a good one.